Hey, what's up? So Warwick Vampyre SN-5 bass. I'm gonna run a tone test on this with the bridge pickup first, the neck pickup next, then a blend of both. The EQ settings I'll mess with a bit. I've got the treble all the way up throughout the demo, and I will shift the bass EQ up from halfway to full on both the bridge and neck pickup. For the blended, I will keep it all the way up, and then I'm going to do a test with the active EQ off with both the bridge and neck pickup. This is what it sounds like. That was the bridge with the bass halfway, raising it all the way up, the bass EQ. Now back to the bass halfway and the neck pickup. Bass EQ all the way up on the neck pickup. Now a blend of both the bass and neck pickup at halfway with the EQ all the way up, bass and treble. back to the bass pickup with the EQ off. The dip in volume, that's just what happens when you put off an EQ which is active. This is the neck pickup. I hope that was of some use to you. See you guys around. Bye. Sorry for the long video. Bye.